De laatste 5 jaar is zonne-energie significant gegroeid in populariteit. Naar schatting zijn er 600.000 huizen die uitgerust zijn met zonnepanelen. Olivier Jacques van AP Systems vertelt hoe je het maximale uit je zonnepanelen kan halen door gebruik te maken van micro-inverters.
So a microinverter is a high technology side of the PV market and of the traditional inverter. The microinverter fits perfectly the Dutch market, that it's most probably one of the top 3 European markets on residential for the solar energy. Microinverter is a device that allows much more energy harvest compared to a traditional inverter, thanks to a management per panel that provide a high return of investment compared to a traditional inverter again, simplify the installation, a very simple plug-and-play installation that reduces the cost of installation, and designed for 25 years that allow a much higher return of investment for the consumer. Microinverter provide a higher safety level than any other inverter because it provides a very low currents to 230 volts compared to a 900 volts for the same power provided by the traditional inverter. So it's a perfect fit for the house, but also for a public building like school or restaurants or anywhere where we need a high level of safety for firing or for human safety in terms of electrocution. And also provide, to finish, a very high level of reliability because of the duration of life of the product that again allow a public building to produce 99% of power during a 25 years time. Microinverter solution is a fast growing technology. Coming from a single inverter up to a quad that allow to manage more than one module per microinverter and reduce the cost per watt. Combining monitoring and a very high advanced energy management for the house. Coming out, the technology is still moving pretty fast, as I said. We go with a new generation of product with a quad or a duo as here, able to manage advanced grid function like energy management in the house, providing highest level of monitoring, consumption versus production that the whole generation cannot do, and allowing to have a new step of management for a public building or house.
So the microinverter solution comes with a cloud-based monitoring software. This allows us to directly look into the system, recognize problems if they arise. In 80 to 90% of the cases are able to be solved by remotely looking into the system. So no need for any installers to go on the roof, and this saves a lot of time and money.
The microinverter solution is an obvious choice for the consumer and the installer. The reasons are safety, flexibility, easy installation thanks to the plug-and-play system, return of investment, energy harvest. And all of that make the microinverter the perfect fit for the residential and commercial market.